Forget everything you think you know about minivans. The 2026 Toyota Sienna is not just a family hauler. It is a rolling sanctuary, a tech lounge, and a comfort zone on wheels. And after doing the math, I realized something shocking. If you are buying a 3-row SUV instead of this Sienna, you are wasting $15,000. Let me break down exactly why. Toyota has not simply updated the Sienna. They have reimagined what a family vehicle can be. Whether you are chauffeuring kids, packing for a weekend escape, or enjoying a solo drive, this is the kind of ride that makes life feel effortless. And it does it while saving you serious money. Let's start with what really powers this new Sienna. Every model comes standard with Toyota's proven hybrid system, a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with electric motors for a combined 245 horsepower. The payoff? An impressive 36 miles per gallon. Combined whether you stick with front-wheel drive or go for the available all-wheel drive setup. Compare that to a Honda Pilot getting 24 miles per gallon or a Toyota Highlander at 26. Over 5 years of ownership, that fuel savings alone is worth thousands of dollars. That is part of that $15,000 waste. But what if you want your minivan with a little edge? Enter the XSE trim. With blacked-out accents, sharp 20-inch wheels, and a sport-tuned suspension. This is not your typical family van. At first glance, it could pass for a sporty SUV. Step inside though, and you're reminded of why minivans still exist. Space and practicality that no SUV can match. And at roughly $45,000, it packs in comfort and tech that rivals luxury crossovers, costing nearly twice as much. Inside, Toyota designed the Sienna with real life in mind. The second-row captain's chairs are a standout feature. They slide a full tilt of 25 inches back, giving passengers the kind of stretch-out legroom you would expect in business class. Everywhere you look, there is smart storage, overhead shelves, a massive bridge-style center console that connects the front seats, and yes, 18 cup holders. Show me a 3-row SUV with sliding doors, easier third-row access, and more actual usable cargo space. You cannot. Tech-wise, Toyota did not hold back. Even the entry-level trims give you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. Step up and things get even better. A 12.3-inch infotainment screen, a head-up display, wireless charging, and an available 12-speaker JBL audio system that makes the whole cabin feel like a private concert. For families, the optional rear seat entertainment system is a lifesaver, keeping kids entertained and parents relaxed on long drives. And how does it drive? Honestly, the Sienna might surprise you. It is not trying to be a sports car. But with a 0 to 60 time around 7.5 seconds, it is quick enough to handle highway merges without breaking a sweat. The real story is the comfort. It glides along quietly, soaking up bumps with ease. The hybrid system adds regenerative braking, which not only saves energy, but also makes every stop feel smoother and more controlled. Cargo space is another big win. The third row folds flat into the floor in seconds, creating instant storage. The second row seats slide forward to open up to 101 cubic feet of cargo space. That is more than enough for a Costco run, camping gear, or an entire soccer team's worth of equipment. Put it all together, and the 2026 Toyota Sienna is not just a minivan. It is proof that families are wasting money on 3-row SUVs. Better space, better efficiency, better access, lower price, and lower running costs. That $15,000 waste? It is real. Better fuel economy over 5 years. Lower purchase price. More usable space. The Sienna is not just the smart choice. It is the only choice that makes financial sense. Stop wasting money on SUVs. Do this instead. Dead.